I'm on my Yamaha, chromed out 1100. What I'm doing, getting money. What she doing, sucking dick. Trapping all day and I ain't tired yet. Slim, thick, bad bitch. Ooh, I like that. Start with straight shots and then pop bottles.
What's up with the tallest big boss? Coming back with another verse. When I do this verses, I don't never do it by myself. You know, I'm here with the one and only
Kenna.
Y'all know who Kenna is, man. Kenna been on the show hella times, looking fly, telling y'all what she like, and y'all just begging for her to come back every single time. So I brought her back. Kenna, can you just remind these folks to show Instagram and TikTok?
Okay, so my Instagram is I am Kenna. I think that's the same for my TikTok and my Twitter, if y'all be on Twitter.
You be on Twitter now?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I've been on Twitter.
But
I be scrolling, you know. I'm a lurker.
You know, Kenna think I'm dumb. I know it's on Twitter.
You already know it's on Twitter.
I'll be like, duck off real quick. Twitter lit though, you know what I'm saying? But just don't have nobody looking at your Twitter when you looking at your Twitter, if you know what I mean. But that's besides the point. We're about to get inside these fragrances. So right now we got some fire, okay? But we mostly got samples because, I didn't buy them. I just got the sample. Just mind your business. Prada Ocean Le Parfum. I have the sample.
Maybe it was that Prada perfume.
Prada?
It could have been.
We'll talk about it.
Mm-hmm.
Prada Ocean Le Parfum. And this is another sample. This is YSL Y Elixir. Why is it in the sample? Because I took it back. I bought it.
Business.
Yeah. Mind your business. But I will tell y'all this. I took it back though, y'all. You feel me? I took it back because I paid $180 for it. And I know in like a month or two, it's going to be on the shelves for like $120. So I'm just going to pick it up later. But I kept a sample. So
I think it's smart.
yeah, bro, gotta steal it. Yeah. Give me my money back, but I got a piece of it.
That is.
Last but not least, we got this Dior Sauvage Eau de Parfum. So this is gonna be real good. Kenna, man, you know what to do. I don't gotta talk to you about this. Which one? So we got YSL, we got Prada.
I want to try that.
Prada Ocean. The bottle looks like this.
Damn. What's it that?
That's what the bottle looks like.
Wait, on God, I think it was that.
Prada
Or
Ocean.
one of them two.
Probably Prada Black, probably.
Maybe. We'll see.
So she said she want to smell Prada Ocean.
Oh, I'm excited.
It's brand new. Just came out like a week ago. Smell it.
I like you.
Okay. What's the vibes though, Kim?
Damn.
What do it remind you of?
The ocean. Like that was my first thought.
Okay.
Or maybe
Water.
there was a ocean cologne that you had, and it kind of smelled like that. Maybe.
Prada Ocean. So this is this is the original Prada Ocean, and what you smelling is the Prada Ocean Le Parfum. So all they did was just make it stronger, basically. That's the concept.
I like this. I don't know, like I don't know what it smells to me, like sweet kind of, like
Sweet.
it don't smell musty, like you know how some be like real tangy, like
Citrus.
oh, is that what that is?
Mm-hmm.
Citrus? Yeah, it's
Sour.
like, yeah, it don't smell sour, it's the opposite.
Mm-hmm. Woody. Yeah.
No. Like, how do you explain this smell? It's like, honestly, it smells good as fuck though. Like, if you put this on,
It
you
smell like
gonna
nature,
snatch
right?
your bad bitch.
Just like nature, like outside, forest, trees, leaves.
Ooh, I can see a
All that.
little woody.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
This smells good as shit though. Y'all niggas need a cop. I like.
It's fire.
Yeah, I like hand sauce smell. I like this one.
All right, give me here.
Okay.
Jesus. As soon as I hear that, I gotta take it. All right, come here. We got other ones that need some love too.
Oh, I smell.
So we got YSL Y. YSL. So the Dior Sauvage can wait.
I feel like I smell like that one.
It probably did. So that's probably really good to compare. So this the YSL Y Elixir.
Oh, that's fire. Oh shit. Damn, wait, what's that called?
Elixir. It look like these bottles. It look like these bottles. It's just all blue.
Yeah, you're gonna have to text me after this. But this one fire as fuck. This one like this on the more citrusy side though.
It is. I don't know if you like that solid.
And it's not bad though, like not at all. It's not like
I think they say mixed it with that lavender or just that iris, just that floral note. Probably smelling flowers.
I think that's what it is. I fucks with this.
But that or the Le Parfum.
This second.
The Le Parfum is the first place?
Yeah, for sure.
So let me get this straight. Hold on. The first one you smell is what you like over this one, the one you just smelled. All right, y'all. So Ocean, it beat out Le Elixir. So you already know, like, ain't no reason to put it on the shelf.
Y'all should mix them.
Oh, yeah, for sure. You can get both. It's a lot of money on it.
Wait. YSL first.
YSL first?
I fucks with this. Damn, I don't know. Wait, I don't know. Like,
hey, yo, is
damn. Okay, this is giving like y'all ever smell like like pastors and ushers? They kind of smell like this, and this smell like that one nigga that got the rollie on, driving the BMW. It's like I can smell it and I can see the nigga in front of me. Like this gets sophisticated if you want to pull some old hoes. You know, if you like your 40 freakies, your freaky 30s.
40 freakies is crazy.
The YSL one,
Okay.
Hell yeah, the bitches in their 40s be freaky as fuck. Y'all be nasty.
They do. They be like, that little shit don't do it. I need that big shit. I'm like, what are you talking about?
They nasty. I'll tell you this, cause why this 45-year-old send me pictures of her titties like this, right? And then text me like I need to get my pussy licked. What you mean by that?
By who? I'm like,
that's what I.
Who do you want to do that? Do you know who you texted? I think you got the wrong person. I think whoever you was texting.
Well, let me get you here.
They waiting for your text message. Oh, yeah. You gotta figure this out. That's crazy.
No, that is because who is this for?
Oh.
Yeah, I like this one. But I always like this one. Like this is.
It's probably gotta lose or win. Is it keep winning or is it gonna finally lose?
I know it's finally losing.
Hold on. What's that? YSL. Prada Ocean.
Damn.
Is what you prefer.
Wait, because after smelling Dior, it's like, damn, it's just a staple. I don't know. No, but for sure, if you're trying to pull a baddie, you know, that got them church cooking arms. You know what I'm talking about?
Church cooking,
you know
she point, it be moving.
No, yeah, she got them arms, and you know
like,
she gonna throw down on the mac and them yams.
Digging in that pot.
And them greens.
I'm like, go, Granny, yeah, right. You gotta kiss Granny on the forehead. I love you, Granny. Whatever the fuck you making, I'm about to eat that shit.
Those girls got the best pussy. But
all right.
Let me stop.
Kenna knows too much. She knows too much. Who you picking up?
Damn, this second. Wait. Okay, first, second, third, just because you always win.
So, okay, so wait. Who went first?
Oh, yeah. This is the Ocean YSL Sauvage.
Oh, okay. So, the Ocean won. Second place was the YSL. And then last place was Dior Sauvage.
Maybe I like this because it smells a little fruity. Like it smells like it could be perfume, kind of
The Ocean.
ish.
The Ocean. All right. I asked her like 8 times.
You start explaining what I'm saying.
No, I just be wanting to make sure. I be needing you to think about it just a little bit. Because once you lock it in, they gonna run to the store and potentially spend their money because of what you said.
Hold on.
That's why I be having to ask you a couple times, like you gotta. Like if you was spending your hard-earned money on your girl, what would you get her?
Ocean.
Ocean, okay. Prada Ocean, Le Parfum.
But if you like that tangier smell, the YSL would be good.
But
It
it's
smells good,
about what you like. Can I remember?
Oh, yeah.
This is why hey, look, and if I care about what everybody think, this will be a show with 12 girls. And what you think? What you think? No. I bring one person on the show. That means Kenna, what Kenna like. That's why they want, because these dudes care about what you think. They don't care about them. No, what Kenna like. So Kenna girls like this. Oh, yeah. Like that. So what you like, Ocean? All right. I got it, y'all. Gotta dig deep a little bit.
You want to pull a bad bitch, get the Ocean.
Get the Ocean. All right, y'all. So Prada Ocean Le Parfum is the winner. It beat out YSL Y Elixir and it beat out Dior Sauvage. Eau de Parfum. Fire. So make sure y'all go follow Kenna. I put her information inside the description. So make sure y'all go down there, handle y'all business. Be okay and be mature. Stop fucking around. All right, for you other dudes, if you don't got Prada Ocean Le Parfum, take your biscuit ass down to the goddamn mall and get you a sample of something.
Shit, sample last year, goddamn. If you ain't got no money,
get you something. You gotta get you a sample that day, and then be like, oh, I just lost it, and then get another one. Then leave. You got 2. Shit. Wear it before you spend $170 because it's pricey right now. So. Inflation. Yeah.
Damn. I hate it here. Shit.
Facts. All right, Kenna, man. I am McKenna. TikTok, Instagram, starting a YouTube, so on Twitter too. I love y'all. Y'all stay fly. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.
Bye, y'all.